So if you're looking for a gaming laptop, 13 inches, something that has a lot of performance and can do a lot more for you, well, your answer is the Surface Book 2 13-inch. And you're going, wait, that's not a gaming laptop. Well, I'm gonna show you, here it is. It is a gaming laptop and it functions quite well. This is a beautiful designed laptop altogether, and of course a 2-in-1. We'll get to some of that later. Microsoft promises 17 hours of battery life. That's very key. We know quite well all gaming laptops do not last that long in terms of battery life, and I'll tell you, you can game with this at least for a good 6-7 hours. It is absolutely solid. You've got a GTX 1050 Ti built into this thing, and actually does some really good performance on here. I mean, playing games like Doom, playing games like Call of Duty, playing games like Battlefield 1, I was able to basically run them at 1080p resolution, close to about 50 plus frames per second, which is solid. So looking at all those games and seeing the kind of frame rates I'm running on Battlefield 1, it's great. It looks sharp, it looks vibrant. I can actually game solidly with this thing. I like it. I like that with this device. Same thing, you know, playing Doom, which is fast-paced also. Give me a graphics hog. I'm just getting that from this device, and I absolutely love the fact that I can definitely do that with the Surface Book 2. Now, in terms of specs, what do you get with this? As I mentioned, it's a 2-in-1, so you can actually split it. You've got, of course, close to about, I believe about 5 to 7 hour battery life on the tablet alone, which is great. So you can take that with you on the go. And on the tablet, you can't do any serious gaming on there. You can play, you know, light Windows games, but at least if you want to use it for other things, you can do, and then you can dock it right back and basically jump in and do all your gaming and tap into, of course, that GTX 1050 Ti, of course, the more, you know, the performance, the battery included there as well. The display is a 3000 by 2000 display. It's a wonderful looking display. It absolutely looks gorgeous. It is nice. I mean, even the audio of the system is really good. Take a quick listen. Resolution is 2240 by 1080p, and it's got that funky aspect ratio of 18 by 7 by 9 because it's got a notch. Yeah, it does. No reason why. Then you've got a solid keyboard, really nice and flush, so that while you're gaming, this feels really comfortable to use. Trust me. Yeah, it's meant for typing. Yes, it's a keyboard, but it is comfortable to use, and that trackpad is nice. Now, of course, nobody uses the trackpad off your laptop to game, but it is a nice trackpad to use, and of course, you've got a full 10-finger touchscreen on that display as well. As I mentioned, there is a USB Type-C port as well as 2 USB 3.0 ports. And what I actually did in this video was game off my USB Type-C hard drive. So I have a Samsung hard drive there. That's the T5, wonderful hard drive, great speeds. Definitely check that hard drive out if you guys want a portable hard drive. That's some really good performance. And I just loaded my games up there just to show you how versatile this is that I can game off a hard drive, USB Type-C on my Surface Book 2, and it still ran smooth. So basically, you know, when I was playing Doom, it was off the hard drive. While I was playing Call of Duty, it was off the hard drive. While I was playing, you know, Battlefield 1, it's off the hard drive again. And again, that's the kind of stuff that you get with the Surface Book 2. Now, some will basically harp and complain that this is not a gaming laptop, and truly it isn't. It's not built for one, to be one, but it performs like one. And that's why I call it the best 13-inch gaming laptop, because it fits that criteria quite well, but you also get some really good performance. And this can be your day-to-day laptop. Now, you also have pen input. Now, the Surface Book 2 13-inch doesn't come with the pen, but you can basically buy that separately and use the pen as well. So you've got something that's versatile, it's got great battery life, great performance, and also you can game like hell on it on a 13-inch Surface Book 2. So there you have it, guys. If you have any questions or any comments about the Surface Book 2, let us know. If you're looking to pick one up, or you pick up the portable hard drive from Samsung, we'll have the links for you guys down below. Otherwise, guys, don't forget to like and share this video. Favorite this video. Let me know what you think, and also what kind of gaming laptops do you use at this point in time. This is Thunder E saying thank you, subscribe to the channel, and always enjoy your entertainment.